Okay, students, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do the designer side of the A Good Excuse app. All right. So first thing we want to do is we want to go to Google and we want to go into Project Lead the Way. All right. So under Project Lead the Way, what we will do is we will scroll down in our lesson to where we get to number 2 where it says good excuse. This is the one we're working on, so I'm going to go to that one, and I can see, you can pause and read through each part of this. You can review the app requirements as you go through. Generate concepts that's already been completed for you because we already know exactly what app we're going to do. So we're going to download the source code, okay, and then we're going to open App Inventor, okay, and I already had it open. So then we're going to create apps. Okay, and this is of course the code, but we're going to finish one. We're going to go to import project, choose file. We'll go to our downloads and choose our source file. We'll click open and click OK and then click OK. And this is going to bring up the empty file. Alright, so if we look at this, we're looking over here, we have screen 1, we have question display, text box, and submit button. We also have paragraph display, which nothing is showing up. Okay, so if we look at paragraph display, we can see it's a label. We can see it's got a fill parent. We see there's nothing in it, and we see that it is indeed visible. Okay, all right. So what we want to do is we are going to go into the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a vertical arrangement. So over here under user interface, we're going to go down here to layout, and we're going to bring in a vertical arrangement, and we're going to drop it right up here. Okay, all right. All right, and we want to put this above that one, so we're going to put that right there. Okay, so this is going to be the very top thing. All right, all right. So the next thing we want to do is we want to begin to rearrange some things. Okay, now this question display is a label. All right, so what we want to do is we are going to begin to move this stuff. Okay, all right, so this, we're going to get a hold of it and we're going to put it inside of here. All right, now that instantly shrunk it, so that means for this vertical arrangement we're going to have to go down here to our width and change this to fill parent. All right, so what that does is um, it puts this at the top. Now under this question display, we're going to click on this and we want to change the text to say, what's your excuse? Okay, I'm going to put a question mark in it. Okay, all right, so that's going to appear there. All right, we're going to make sure that the font is bold. We're going to make sure that the font size is really, really big. So we're going to make it 28. Okay. All right. We're going to choose a font called sans serif to make it really interesting. Okay. We're going to make sure that it has margins. Our height is going to be 10%. Okay. All right. Our width will be fill parent. What's your excuse will be our text. Our alignment is going to be center. Okay. and we want to make sure that it's visible. Okay, so that's good. And our default color, our color is default. All right, now because of that, some things have changed. So we're going to go up to our uh, vertical arrangement, and we want to look at a few things there. So it is left arrangement, it is top. The default default background color will be none, so the color for the background sticks in there. All right, our height is automatic, and our width is fill parent, and our image is none. So that's good. All right. So we're pretty happy with that. Okay. So we'll leave that just like that. Okay.